Now let's talk about first impressions, the silent power they wield. Studies shows that interviewers often form opinions about candidates within minutes of meeting them. This underscores the importance of making a strong entrance. Imagine a candidate who walks into the interview room with a confident demeanor. They greet the interviewer with a smile, maintain eye contact, and project enthusiasm. This positive energy not only sets a favorable tone, but also opens the door for a more engaging dialogue. Conversely, if a candidate appears rushed or unprepared, they may struggle to regain the interviewer's confidence. To set yourself up for success, consider these strategies. Preparation. Know the company inside and out, and be ready to discuss how your skills align with their needs. Dress appropriately to reflect the company's culture while maintaining professionalism. Use open gestures, maintain eye contact, and express genuine interest in the conversation. By embracing the significance of first impressions and adopting your employer-centric mindset, you can navigate the interview process with greater ease. Remember, this is not just an evaluation. It is an opportunity to build connections and showcase what makes you a unique candidate. As we wrap up this session, remember that understanding the interview process is just the beginning. Each type of interview offers unique opportunities to shine, and by embracing the employer's perspective, you'll be better prepared to make a lasting impression. In the next session, we'll delve deeper into the art of preparation, exploring how to research companies effectively and craft your personal brand. Get ready to transform your interview approach and step confidently into the next chapter of your career journey.